Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make chicken shawarma, and please don't forget to watch this video till the end. Also like and share this video. So first thing to do is to marinate my chicken. In a small mixing bowl, I'm going to add in yogurt, black pepper, salt, white onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika, cardamom powder. I also have a Benny chicken seasoning spice. After adding that, then I'll go ahead to add some dried seasoning herbs. So after adding all the ingredients, I'll go ahead to use a spoon to combine to make sure I mix everything together. After that, I'll go ahead to add in my chicken into my marinade. I'll also add in a lemon juice. This is optional. And after that, I'll use my hand to mix everything together. Then I'll cover and leave in my refrigerator to rest for about 4 hours. Next, I'm going to place an empty dried frying pan on the heat. After that, I'll spray some vegetable oil. Then I'll add in my sliced onion, stir fry for a minute or two. Then I'll go ahead to add in my sliced cabbage. I'm going to also add in a pinch of salt. Then after that, I'm going to stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll go ahead to take it off the heat. So the next step now is to prepare my shawarma sauce. I've already added 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise in my plate, a spoon of ketchup, a spoon of yogurt. I'll add paprika, black powdered pepper. I'll also add some cardamom powder. Then I'll go ahead to mix everything together. So 4 hours later, I'm going to go ahead to grill my chicken now. I'll place an empty dried non-stick pan on the heat, spray some vegetable oil in it, then I'll go ahead to start placing my chicken in my frying pan. So guys, one more thing, I will advise that you use a tender chicken breast or chicken thigh. If you are making chicken shawarma, it will help the chicken to cook fast both inside and outside. So next, I'm going to go ahead to flip the chicken for the both sides to cook or grill. And also make sure that you grill your chicken on a medium heat to prevent your chicken from burning. So finally, my chicken is ready now. I'm going to go ahead to take it off the heat now. So next, I'm going to go ahead to slice my chicken into smaller pieces. And one more thing guys, after slicing your chicken and you've noticed that your chicken is not done, you can still take it back to the heat and grill it more. So finally, it is time for me to wrap my shawarma now. I have my shawarma wrap here already. I'll go ahead to spread the shawarma sauce which I made on it. And after that, I will add my chicken. I will also add the stir-fried onion and cabbage which I made earlier. After that, I will add my diced cucumber on it as well. So after I'm done adding in my shawarma toppings, I'll go ahead to wrap it now. So guys, this is my shawarma. This is what it looked like after I'm done wrapping it. Repeat the same process with the remaining shawarma wrap. Please, my amazing viewers, if you like watching my video, please support my channel by sending me super thanks or super stickers. So next, I'm going to place an empty dried non-stick pan on the heat. Then I'll go ahead to spray some vegetable oil in it. And after that, I'll place my shawarma wrap in it. So after you placed your shawarma on the heat, grill the both side, and after that take them off the heat and enjoy. So guys, this is what my chicken shawarma look like after preparing it. So I'm going to go ahead to show you guys how the inside look. It looks so yummy and delicious. And please guys, tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section, and don't forget to like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.